Alright, my name is Aksal Maulana Suryana from A1 2021 with student number 212202121 from IKIP Siliwangi, and in here I will practice simultaneous interpretation from these interview videos. The title is Nardo Week, Who Wants Smoke? Official lyrics and meanings. Alright, let's get started.
I knew this was a hit when I seen the traffic it was getting, like once I dropped it. Like when I'm seeing different videos of different people turning up to it. And then in my city it got leaked before I dropped it. And it was going crazy in the city like before I even dropped it.
Oke, aku tahu musik ini akan menjadi hit. Ketika saya melihat grafiknya, itu semakin membuat saya seperti, ya, akhirnya. Ketika saya melihat video yang berbeda dari orang yang berbeda, dan aku mulai untuk itu. Dan kemudian di kota saya, musik ini bocor sebelum saya merilisnya, dan ini gila. Lebih baik dari perilisan sebelumnya.
When I heard the beat, that's just what came out of me. That's the first thing I thought of when I heard the beat. I just want smoke. I did the hook. The remix, them getting on it, that shit felt good. It's like, that's what I wanted. That's them who I wanted on the song. I already had like relationships with all of them before. Feel me? Before they got on the song, so that shit made it easier.
Ketika saya mendengar nadanya, hanya nada itu yang keluar dari otak saya. Itulah hal pertama yang saya pikirkan ketika saya mendengar nadanya. Saya hanya saya hanya ingin merokok untuk bagian hooknya. Menyatukan itu semua dan ya, itu terdengar enak. Itu yang saya inginkan, itulah yang saya inginkan di lagu tersebut. Saya sudah memiliki hubungan dengan mereka semua sebelum mereka menyanyikan lagu itu, jadi omong kosong dan buat semuanya menjadi mudah.
I'm waking up. I'm waking up, waking up. I'm waking up, waking up, waking up, waking up, waking up, waking up, waking up. That's just me. I'm wicked. So I just say it. Like, you feel me? That's like my brand down there. That's just my mind work. That's me. A lot of people thought I was saying I'm waking up, but I was saying I'm wicked. Like, I'm wicked, I'm wicked, I'm wicked.
Itu aku jahat. Jadi, saya hanya mengatakan itu. Itu seperti merek saya. Begitulah cara kerja pikiran saya. Itu aku. Banyak orang mengira saya berkata, saya bangun. Ketika saya mengatakan, saya jahat. Aku jahat, aku jahat, aku jahat, aku jahat.
Want smoke with me? Want smoke with me? Want smoke with me? Nigga, who want smoke with me? 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 Nigga, who want smoke with me? Inspiration for the hooker who want smoke really want no inspiration. That's just real life. Like, that's just me. Like, who want smoke? Like, you feel me? Everybody can feel like and relate to that. Because that's how people feel. Like, whether it don't matter what it is, like, who want smoke with me? Chess match, academic, no matter spelling bee, who want smoke with you feel me?
Untuk bagian hook yang terdengar, siapa yang ingin merokok, itu benar-benar bukan tanpa inspirasi. Itu hanyalah kehidupan nyata. Seperti itu saja aku. Seperti yang ingin merokok. Seperti Anda merasakan saya. Jika semua orang bisa merasakannya, maka pasti akan paham dengan itu. Karena itulah yang dirasakan orang. Seperti, ada masalah apakah? Seperti siapa yang ingin merokok dengan saya.
Want smoke with me? I'm trying to fucking nigga lungs up. They be like, Nardo, put them damn guns up. Fuck that. Say, big brother, bring them guns out. When it's smoke, we get the spinner out of sun out. That's what people really like telling me, like, you feel me, put that down, like, stop. But I'll be like, you feel me, hard-headed. Fuck it. I call big bro. I ain't never.
Karena itulah yang orang-orang katakan padaku. Paham apa yang aku rasakan? Letakkan itu. Seperti berhenti, tapi aku menjadi seperti ya. Aku merasa menjadi keras kepala.
But like, and I point gas with my gun, I scream out what's happening and get the bus until it run, now. All these niggas hiding, I'm like, where they at? It ain't no fun, now. 762 is big as hell, knock a nigga lungs out. But it taught me to always be on point and never lack. Just certain situations, it feels better when you on point. You feel me? 1, 2.
Bro mengajari saya untuk selalu tepat sasaran dan tidak pernah ada kekurangan. Hanya situasi tertentu. Saat Anda terasa lebih baik ketika Anda tepat sasaran.
2, 3, 4, kick your dog, get on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, don't make no noise, I eat your face. 9, 10, 11, we ain't gonna sit that number, we don't fuck with Jace. I'ma kill 14 niggas if 13 bitch niggas play. Really, that's just the first thing that came to my head, but I don't think it might have went and came to my head if I ain't never hit a Freddy shit, so I can say the Freddy shit probably. But people were saying fishtails, like after and then I went and listened to the fishtails, and it was really like that. But that ain't where it came from, but shit coincidence. I think
Sungguh itu hanya hal pertama yang muncul di kepala saya. Tapi saya tidak berpikir itu mungkin tidak akan terjadi terlintas di kepalaku jika aku tidak pernah mendengar omong kosong si Freddy itu. Jadi, saya bisa mengatakan omong kosong Freddy mungkin, tapi orang-orang mengatakan dongeng ikan seperti saya. Dan kemudian, saya masuk ke kisah ikan itu dan benar-benar seperti itu. Tapi itu bukan dari mana asalnya. Tapi sialan, ini hanya kebetulan.
think my Draco might be gay. Why? Because he blow niggas. I just got a brand new lolly. It's a 4 nickel. Call me Nardo, yes, man. I don't know niggas. You can send your best man and you gonna lose your best hitter. I don't know these niggas. I don't know niggas, but yes and no. So, you feel me? Like, just play on the words. I got Nardo from Lil Nard. My nickname Lil Nard. Everybody call me Lil Nard.
Saya tidak tahu ini, saya tidak tahu siapa dia, bisa ya, bisa tidak. Jika Anda merasa saya seperti hanya bermain dengan kata-kata, saya mendapatkan Nardo dari Leonard. Nama panggilan saya Leonard, semua orang memanggil saya Leonard.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? That's how I step on nigga. Cause I'm thinking like I would step on shit for real, but it's like I had to try to bring step into life. You feel me? That's all it was.
Karena aku berpikir seperti aku benar-benar menginjak kotoran. Tapi itu seperti saya harus mencoba menghidupkan langkah. Kamu tahu apa yang aku rasakan? Itu saja.
We step on shit like Craig Daddy, we in the gym, no pet rally, won't come outside, he's scared, probably they deeper than a fucking party. That don't matter. I miss Craig Daddy from Friday, because in the movie Friday, next Friday, either Friday or next Friday, he was falling, feeling some shit or something like that. Because I'm going
Saya menyebutkan Craig Daddy dari film Friday. Sebab dalam film Friday atau Next Friday, baik Friday atau Next Friday, dia benar-benar jatuh dalam masalah atau sesuatu seperti itu.
spray this bitch at everybody. I'm not a bitch. I do magic. Turn his whip into a basket. Take his life. He shouldn't have had it. I used to do magic when I was like a little younger. Like I had a little magic kit and all. I used to look on YouTube how to play with the cards, like do magic shit. I used to look at Chris Angel, but I wasn't thinking that when I said that. And then I said turn his whip into a basket, like holes. You know, a basket is full of holes. You feel? A lot of people ain't get that. I'm quick to snap this.
Saya biasa melakukan trik sihir ketika saya masih kecil, seperti saya memiliki perangkat sulap kecil dan sebagainya. Saya biasa melihat di YouTube cara bermain dengan kartu seperti halnya sihir. Saya biasa melihat Chris Angels. Tapi aku tidak berpikir begitu ketika aku mengatakan itu. Dan kemudian saya berkata, putar cambuknya menjadi keranjang. Seperti lubang. Anda tahu keranjang penuh lubang? Banyak orang di sini.
Like my daddy, my Nina Root, she kinda sassy, let her go, she let you have it, play you, let you try you down, I'm cold as hell, but let off fire. Please don't try, cause you going down, I don't want to see your mama cry. Quit not just like my daddy, that nigga always get mad. And shit, I do too sometimes. Might get it from him, that's what I meant. Just don't do it, just don't, you feel me? Just don't do it, it's simple, don't try.
Oke, jentikan cepat seperti ayahku. Dia selalu marah dan saya juga kadang-kadang mungkin menjadi nyata. Itu yang saya maksud. Jangan lakukan itu. Hanya saja kamu tidak merasakanku. Jangan lakukan itu. Itu mudah. Jangan mencoba. Alright, that's all from this video that I interpreting with simultaneous or saya menginterpretasikannya secara langsung. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.